Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make pancake. So guys, keep watching, do subscribe and share to your friends. So I already have I this is like 3 egg yolks and then egg whites. I'm going to whisk this. I'm going to whisk. So guys, this is the end result. You want it to be like this. And then I have here with me 3 cups of flour and 1 cup of sugar. And I'm going to add this baking powder, 1.5, 1/2 tablespoon. That's 2.5 ml. This is the cup I use this 1 cup. And so I'm going to mix this together and yeah. Milk. You just add any amount of milk to that's kind of mixture you want. If you want it very thick or you want it very light, or you know, I think I'll need my 2 eggs for this, but then let me add my egg yolk. Egg yolk, 3 egg yolk, and then the 3 egg white then. So when I'm done mixing, I'll show you guys how it looks like. Guys, this is it. I'm done mixing. So the next thing I'm going to add to this mixture now is the egg white. Just put it in now. The way I put this egg white to really make the pancake so soft, like so guys, the next thing I'll be doing is just add this, like mix it gently. You don't really need to like do it too much. So guys, this is how it's looking like now. So I'll show you guys what I'll be using. I want it to have this kind of shape here. So what I just have to do is so guys, you just allow it to like see that bubble there. It has to be like everywhere first. That's when you know that it's ready. So guys, this is the end result. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe and comment. Bye.